Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found my dream kitchen. And when I say dream, I mean I am ready to move in right now. This design is taking the classic modern Tudor style and totally injecting it with this warm, organic Mediterranean vibe. It is insane. Wow. The first thing you notice is the height. Look at those incredible dark wood beams running across the ceiling. We're talking easily 12 feet up. It makes the whole kitchen feel like a grand European estate, but super relaxed. Now, let's talk color, because this is where the magic happens. We've been stuck in the all-white kitchen trend for too long, right? This space fixes that drama. They took the massive central island, which is honestly probably 8 feet long, and painted it this deep, gorgeous terracotta orange. It's paired with that pristine white marble, and honestly, it's a game changer. And the backsplash? Stop it. It's all terracotta tiles laid in a herringbone pattern behind this gigantic, show-stopping hammered copper range hood. The copper ties the whole look together. It's texture, color, and grandeur all in one space. It's got all the storage we need too, with those integrated wall ovens. It's perfection. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.